If Discord keeps kicking you out of calls, pause for 60 seconds and run through these quick fixes with me. First, check your internet. Run a quick speed test and make sure Wi-Fi or Ethernet is stable, not dropping in and out. If your internet is fine, reopen Discord and make sure it is fully updated. If an update appears, let it finish before joining any calls. Still having issues? Click the gear icon for user settings at the bottom, next to your name and avatar. In the left sidebar, scroll to App Settings and click Voice and Video. This is where most call issues get fixed. At the top, pick the correct input and output devices. Select your actual microphone and speakers or headset, not a random default. Scroll down and make sure the input and output volume sliders are at a reasonable level, not muted or set to 0. Next, under voice processing, try turning off echo cancellation, noise suppression, and automatic gain control, then test a call. Now scroll to the Quality of Service section and turn off Enable Quality of Service High Packet Priority. This often fixes random disconnects. If you are in a server, ask an admin to change the voice channel region or set it to automatic so Discord picks the best server. As a last resort, fully close Discord, uninstall it, download the latest version from the official website, and reinstall. Once you are back in, join a test call with a friend or in a test server. If you follow these steps, Discord should stop kicking you out of calls.